Hello you guys, it's me, the Queen. And for today's video, I have a bunch of princesses. So first we're gonna go by naming them. Of course, they already have names, but I'm gonna go through their names. So, let's start with my favorite. This is Princess Tiana from Princess and the Frog. And now we have my second favorite, Snow White from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Then we have my third. I'm just gonna go by my favorites. Ariel from The Little Mermaid. Then we have Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. Then we have Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Then we have Rapunzel from Tangled. Then we have Cinderella from Cinderella. So, in the comments below, tell me which princess is your favorite out of these characters. Next, what we're gonna do is, there's something about them that you can do. You can clip their dress off and on, and it clips. And you can just clip it up, put it back on. So what we're gonna do that to all of them. So here we go. There, we have all our characters right here, with no dress. And then we have